And we're back.
Is there one I didn't miss? And we're back. Oh, there he is.
He's just kind of holding his face.
It's like, oh my god, I'm a zombie. Okay.
That gamer fuel, bro.
That game.
Boom, boom, boom.
Alexander.
Good Alexander, bro. I just kind of feel like saying bro.
Bruh.
Bro.
Bro. Bro. Alright. Oh, damn it. Come on. Oh, wrong button.
You gotta get, Oh, no.
There we go.
I guess you can get whoever first.
Wow.
Those barrels freeze them.
Yeah. There we go. I got one of them with it. Oh, sweet. Baseball dudes. What's up, bros?
Baseball beppies.
Baseball bros.
It's like, batter's up.
Alright. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Nope. No, you don't. Oh my god.
What?
Who's driving that thing?
Well, apparently a firefighter was. But he missed his mark.
I think he did.
It's not funny, man. My town almost burned down again.
Oh yeah. Sorry. Sorry.
It's fun. Oh no! Wait! Get that shit.
Oh yeah.
Now go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, is there anything else? No?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. Loading screens and loading screens and loading screens.
That's the best part. It really makes you feel like you're there. In the loading screen. Only.
Yeah, really does.
Be careful, Juliet. This place is falling apart.
What are you doing? What are you doing, dude?
Sorry.
Dude, what are you doing? Go back.
Why?
There's a fucking thing behind you.
Okay. Oh yeah. I so forgot.
Come on, man. Come on, man. You have 300 and plus. You can get something real good.
Just gonna run through.
No.
Just get a straight
You're
run.
gonna fucking die if you don't do this.
Okay, fine.
I wonder what they have.
Get the chicken dinner.
Do we have that? We have the donkey fruit grape.
I wonder what the donk in that is. Like,
Oh, I don't know. Awesome skills.
Click, click.
I think we're running out of skills here.
Chainsaw strike or lollipop or maelstrom spin. One of these three.
What should I get?
The Lollipop, just because it has lolly in it.
Okay.
There it is. There
Push
it is.
YX during a chainsaw dash.
Okay.
Okay.
Word.
And then health and upgrades if we have enough.
Get the chicken dinner. Oh,
No, we
yeah.
don't. That's fucking terrifying.
You're just like,
Whatever. We got a new thing. Do we have enough lollipops?
yeah, we got 4 out of 5.
Alright.
Yeah, we got 4 out of 5.
We got 4 to 5.
4 out of 5 lollipops.
4 to 5.
I'm gonna put them in all my holes. I'm just gonna suck them.
Zombie firefighters.
That makes sense. That makes sense. That they breathe fire. But they're supposed to be putting it out.
Yeah,
They breathe it, though.
they breathe it though. They breathe it out.
It just made no goddamn sense.
They're like firefighter dragon things.
I know, they're like fucking dragons.
Like, what the hell is that? How does being a zombie give you fire breathing powers? I want to know.
Oh, God.
I would love to know.
What's your
Let's-
favorite color, Nick?
Blue? No, green.
Okay.
Blue.
I love learning about
No, green.
Top, it's yellow.
Fucking, I don't know, beige.
I don't know. Beige. Oh my god.
I'm gonna fist my ass with your head.
bears are dangerous.
Wow.
What?
I mean, that's kind of hot.
Yeah, look, the chainsaws up his butt. That's great.
Focused.
I know.
Oh,
Come here. Oh, you suck.
these zombies are kind of kinky, man.
A little bit. Alright.
Like, didn't one in the beginning say that they wanted to fuck your dad or something?
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that.
Let me fuck your dad!
Oh my god.
Like the toad voice.
The toad voice.
Don't make me do the toad voice, bro.
I think you need to.
Don't make me do the toad voice,
Do the
bro.
fucking toad voice.
You gonna cry? You gonna piss your pants?
X.
Maybe pee and cum or shit and cum?
I think that's
How do we get over there? Oh, you just break it.
Put them in a petri dish and use magic to grow.
Oh my god.
You gonna shit and cum?
There's a 50% chance it will be a cannibal.
There's a... Okay, so I found out more on Toad.
Okay.
There's a SoundCloud where he covers songs, or Toad covers songs,
Sure.
and it's hilarious.
That's awesome. Come on, move.
I forgot the name of it, but I might put the link in the description.
Fun. The zombie. 15. There we go. There we go. Let's do this.
Yeah,
Hey.
that really takes him out. Like,
Way better.
It's pretty, yeah. Works pretty well.
Oh, it's right in the rump.
Right in the room.
Oh, he's just cutting right into that lower intestine, man. Kind of getting them in the meat packing plant right there.
Basically.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a blue one.
Please, Nick.
What am I gonna do? Say no.
Why did you say no?
Oh, Nick.
Do you want to have a body again for like a minute?
Yeah, Nickos.
Awesome, Nick. You're the
Have it. B. Damn it.
Up.
X. Damn it. B.
Come on, man.
Y. X. Y. A. Yeah.
yay! Yay! I can't remember the last time I've ever done that. I think when I was like fucking 9.
Oh. Okay. Man.
They animated
that?
for emphasis
They really do.
to show you he is happy for being triumphant.
You really can't control those bodies either.
You really can't. Come on, keep it going. You go to the Viking ship, man.
I know, right?
What is this? Oh, more firefighter dragons.
Yep. Oops. How did I miss all of them? Oh, wow. Okay, hold on. Ah. Fire. Bad. Okay, come on. No.
Dude. Yeah, let's see. That's easy. We'll get that. We'll find the present in the next one.
Yeah.